Hi guys, Dr. Brandon here. This is just a quick video on how often should I be seeing a chiropractor. To answer that, it depends on what the goal is, so what the initial reason you are there for. If you are seeing a chiropractor because you've just injured yourself, an acute inflammation injury, a sprain or strain or a neck issue or something like that, then there would be a set protocol where you would be discussing with your chiropractor and they would be explaining to you what the condition is, what the diagnosis is, and likely treatments that would be needed. And usually that would be anywhere up to, say, well, anywhere from roughly around 12 visits. That's a good estimate. Obviously everyone's completely different, and we really can't, no chiropractor can really know exactly this is how many it takes until you're all better. And any less than this is no good, and any more than this is a waste of time. That's not how it works. You need to see how the patient's going and responding, and how the injury is healing and responding, and then you adapt accordingly. So each time the patient comes in, we're reassessing. Every single time we put our hands like on there, we're checking to see how has it been improving, how is it comparing to the last time you came in, and then we reassess literally every session as to how much it can handle and how much it is improving. Often those initial ones you would expect to come in more than once a week. If you've just had an injury or you've got a cracking headache or something like that, you would need to take more regular treatments initially. Then you would start to, after 2 to 5 to 7 to 10 to 12 weeks, you would be in a position where most of those soft tissue injuries or issues would have resolved by that point. Not all, but most of the times it's usually within say a 3 week to say 12 weeks. Some people actually just feel better literally straight after, and then that's it. But if you're there for some type of maintenance, so let's say for example you find that if you don't go to the chiropractor on any regular basis, you start getting stiff, sore, the injuries start to come on more frequently, and so you're there to prevent those sorts of things happening and the body's stiffening up, then you would again work with the chiropractor to understand at what intervals does it work best for your body. Some people, because of their body and the way that what job they do and how taxing it is on their body, they are seeing chiropractors weekly, and that works best for them. And they find that if they leave it 2 weeks, things stiffen up and things get sore, they start to get the aches and pains. So their lifestyle demands that they need that level of maintenance. Some people find once a fortnight works best for them. Some people find once a month works best for them. I've got some patients that come in once every 5 weeks or once every 6 weeks. So it definitely depends on the patient and how they are feeling in terms of and what their lifestyle is, and when it changes they need to be able to adapt and change accordingly. So if they go from a job that is more movement based into a more sedentary based job in front of a computer, they're probably going to need more treatment. If they're in that sedentary job, our body needs to be able to move, and when it's not, when we're forcing it into a sit down still position looking at a computer, that's when things stiffen up, that's when things become sore and aggravated and pathological. So we want to be able to treat accordingly. So you'll find that yes, the more sedentary the job is, the more likely you are to need more regular visits. So hopefully that helps. Next time, see you soon.